Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Des here at Grok Trade, and this is the weekend edition. This video is good through Sunday, December 11th, 2011, and we have a lot to talk about. At the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the brand new website that we're slated to release this Monday. Very exciting, and just to let you guys know, we can only hold up to 150 in the chat room. First come, first serve, and hope you can join us. But let's get looking here at the markets. Now, had this big symmetrical triangle, big run up, we go into a bull flag. We broke out of the bull flag going above all major moving averages, but still remain in the upper part of the symmetrical triangle and remaining above the moving averages. On Thursday, we crashed down on light volume. Friday, we bounced back, finding nice resistance at this trend line and still staying below the 200-day moving average. Bottom line is this. That was a bullish move. I said that yesterday. I said there's a big chance of a rally taking place, and sure enough, that happened. And if it did happen, that would be considered bullish. Be looking forward to a breakout ensuing here very shortly. Now, obviously, anything can happen out there. Across the puddle there in Europe, a lot of news going back and forth on things. I would say shut off the TV, television, internet, shut it all off, watch the charts and let the charts do the talking. Trade what you see, not what you think, not what you read, not what you hear. So let me say it again, trade what you see. And you need to know how to read these technical analysis or these charts and know technical analysis very well. Here, let's drop down here to the MACD centered oscillator. We have a zero line here. We remain above the zero line. But check this out. We did have a big negative tick on the histogram to the negative side on Thursday, but now we have a positive tick. It's really small, but you can see that, meaning that we have crossed back over to the upside. So things are looking very bullish. If I go here to a weekly chart, now check out this weekly chart. We have these two big trend lines, massive trend lines. We're at a major resistance area. So far as this is concerned, we're at resistance, we should drop. Absolutely, that can happen. But if you drop down a couple weeks here, one thing we did not do is hit the lower trend line. If you go back in time, we hit it here, we almost hit it there. We smash it here, we smash it there, and we miss it here. This is relative strength. We rallied back up through the 20-week moving average, the 100-week moving average, and now fighting with the 50-week moving average. But it already toyed with trying to break out this week. We have since pulled back, looking forward to see if this thing will actually break out. If so, be looking for us to get to 1300 really fast if that were to happen. And if we look here, we have the monthly chart, big rising wedge here. We broke down. This is bearish. We rise up. But man, here's the thing that I want us to pay special attention to. Big, huge engulfing type pattern, swallowing this previous month's candlestick. Now, bring this back down. This month was September. We had the biggest October in 24 years, big choppy November, and then an itsy bitsy little December thus far. Now we're just getting started here in December. But if you look here, we have lower highs on the month and higher lows on the month. This is a pinching pattern. We're just hovering right here at this 1250, 1260 range. We just can't get off of this. But this is a pinching pattern. I am expecting a big move to happen, especially if we stay here throughout the rest of the season here. I mean, I could absolutely see a Santa Claus rally, taking place. But if we were just to hang around in this area, I see January being a big pop to the upside or a big drop to the downside. I think to start off the year, we're going to see some significant movement, some volatility increase. So that's something I am certainly watching. Now, if I jump over here to the NASDAQ, this is the monthly chart. NASDAQ has the same type pattern. You can see that lower highs, higher lows. But it's looking a little better because the bodies are a little higher here from the previous month. But if I go to the weekly chart, weekly chart, we have a hanging man reversal pattern at resistance. We're at a major resistance line, so this would normally and naturally be the place we should drop, but we're coming into the apex of this triangle. We're 2/3 in, so I'm looking for a breakout or a breakdown to actually happen pretty soon here. So if this was going to break out, we hit once, twice, this would be number 3, and this could certainly be the area to see a breakout, but we need to get over 2700. Remember 2700. Look here on the daily, as far as relative strength is concerned, we have relative weakness because we never did come up and hit this trend line. Go back in time, we hit it once, twice, come over here 3 times, 4 times, and we miss it. Relative weakness here, but we do remain above this high or these moving averages. That is very strong for that to happen. However, if we pop 2700 is going to act as some major resistance, so it's something to watch out for. Alright, so I'm going to bring over the FinViz. Now, FinViz is the area I like to go, and I like to click here on FinViz, click on groups. Once I do that for the week, let's take a look at what's happening. Healthcare did very well. Consumer goods did very well. But check this out, financials did fairly well. Not too shabby here on financials for the week. That is helping the markets quite a bit. If you go back 1 month here, financials about in the middle of the pack, but everything's green, not too bad. 3 months, financials at near the bottom, but look what it was crawling out of. You know, going back to year-to-date performance, financials down 18%, just bad. 1 year, look at this, a horrible 17% drop. You know, and you look 6 months, oh man, ugly, nasty, horrible. But when you go to 3 months, financials no longer at the bottom. You go 1 month, financials in the middle. So we're seeing the trend for the financials getting stronger. That will only help the markets. So it doesn't surprise me that the Thursday drop that we had happened on small volume, and then we rallied back pretty strong on a naturally light volume day on Friday. It's because the financials are there giving us that look. Now, I'm going to show you a glimpse of the brand new website. This is the brand new website that is slated to be released coming up here on Monday. I'm holding my breath, but check this out. You come to the new website, you log in right here. If you haven't logged in yet, create your own profile. You can put your picture in there if you want to, and once you do, and then 3 ways to immediately increase trading profits. Put in your email and we'll send you off an email with that. But we've simplified it. You only have 4 major areas. If you want trading videos, click here. If you want the 101 trading courses, click here. If you want to go into the chart school, click here. If you want to chat with other traders, go here. Again, we can only hold 150. So the first 150 that come on Monday get a spot. And we have some really cool and very talented day traders in these chats. And then premium products, the newsletter, our premium chat, our 201s, and mentorship, and a number of people signing up for Grok Trade. And if you want to get our alerts on the news that we get throughout the day, make sure you click on Facebook and Twitter. So again, right here, the purpose of this is to simplify things. Now watch this. When I go in here to the chat room, okay, you can click on chat, and once you get into the chat room, you have a chat room up here, and you have another one here, and that will be full of traders, packed full. But the thing I want to share with you here, move over just a hair, is the streaming quotes real time. This was in the chat room, and this is real-time data. All you have to do is double click this and you will get real-time information. So if you hover over it, you'll get an intraday chart. If you click on it, you get this monster chart, you know, just big chart that pops up. You can really look at it. Again, it's real time, and you have that inside our chat room. So while you're chatting, and it's a free chat right here, free chat, but if you want to be in with Meerkat or Mark Suffren, very popular day trader, he's with us now. There is a premium chat, and you can chat with him in the morning hours. And But once you're in here trading and chatting and talking about different setups that we're seeing in the markets, you could go right here and see the very latest of what's taking place in the broad markets as a whole. Take care, safe trading, and if you would, click the little like button down there below. I would really appreciate that, and leave me a comment. With this new website, with the videos that you watch, you can leave comments. We look forward to hearing your comments and chatting with you here at the website. So thank you for being a part of freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Take care and safe trading to each and every one of you.